Hi guys, it's a Saturday morning here in Vietnam. So yung plan is to fix yung gas floater, and currently na-experience ko na hindi accurate yung output sa digital meter. So na-experience ko siya for the past 2 months. Ang nangyayari is hindi bumababa yung number of bars dun sa gas gauge, and medyo alarming siya for me since I don't want the bike to stall during the ride. So I made an appointment sa Tony Scooter. So siya yung usual na nagme-maintain ng motorbike ko dito sa Vietnam. Already ordered yung part for the gasoline gauge floater sa tank, and then he told me na if I want to check some of his stuff, so we'll check on that one. It will take 5 to 10 minutes siguro papunta dun sa shop. So coming from District 1 here sa Vietnam, we'll drive going to D3 dun sa shop niya. And hopefully hindi masyadong matao dun sa shop para maaga matapos and do some other errands. Medyo malapit na rin sa shop. I think a few more minutes nandun na. Also, ito pala yung isa sa mga favorite na daanan ko going to the shop since yung street is going along the river. So meron siyang maliit na river dito sa left side. About to make a right turn and a few meters nandun na yung shop.
After full tank, so it's like it's spilled all over and then it doesn't go down afterwards. Okay.
Anh nói lúc anh đổ xăng mà nó chạy ra ngoài xong thì nó không có xuống nữa, nó thành
Change oil?
Nghe nói.
Yeah. Okay.
This have a front side with the carbon fiber. Too.
So everything's carbon fiber.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now my new products here. Okay.
Oh, this one's the Tony?
Yeah.
Okay, this is cool.
Praise you. Carbon fiber with color.
Oh, does it come in purple?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's the chain is blue and the purple.
Oh, yeah, right?
This is my product too.
Yeah.
New.
Oh, new one.
Yeah, this the testing with the 3D printing. Yeah. This when I finish it, it have this CNC aluminum CNC.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Super light.
Yeah, I should place it on my bike as well.
I want to the combat different material.
Okay.
It's a carbon fiber, aluminum CNC, everything combined. Yeah.
Really good.
Yeah.
But I'll get this one. I like this one. I'll be getting this one. Save one for me.
Okay. Unique leg.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll
Next time I will test for you.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. This testing. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the prototype.
Again, outside inside.
Okay.
Yeah, carbon fiber, super light.
Yeah.
I can do this for you. Yes, I have 40 gram. Yeah,
But inside would be good.
yes. And then
I think the one with color would be good. You know?
okay.
It's either red or purple.
Yes.
Yeah.